Hello, traders. This is Andy from Trade Ideas, and it is May the 4th on a Thursday. Markets gave some back the last couple of days. You can see the Qs here trying to hang on to their 10 and 20 level, slightly gapping down below that. Could still dig in and move higher. SPY's a little bit different story. They're kind of a good deal below their 10 and 20. Couple of ugly bars there, right in the middle of this range. It's been a really tough market for swing trading, but there's definitely been some opportunity out there. So we're going to take a look at some today. And there's a lot of good earnings out there. Shop is gapping up, 20%. This is not, everybody and their dog will have you looking at, some of these huge gappers today. What I like to do, guys, is look for more of a setup. Okay. And I've seen a couple of really good setups out here to keep an eye on. One of them is OCUL. You can see it right here. Beautiful looking chart here. Above all its moving averages. And a critical level multi-month high there. If it can get back above, the 650, I would entertain it, above the 630 level. You can see I have a price target. I mean, a little price alert there. Another one, very similar looking chart to it is what is it? O cup. O cup. Keep an eye on this one. It is digging in here. It's pretty volatile, but you can see it's still above all its moving averages. Watch that one if it can get above, the 610 level. Well, you got to take a look at physical gold and physical silver, really holding up well. I like the PSLV. If it can get back above, this 884, I'll put me a price alert there. And then one other one is EDU spec play China. It's been holding up well, been holding this 20 period. So keep an eye on that one. All right, guys, good luck. Keep it tight. Bye bye.